Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So I'm going to show you guys the code for today's video. Okay, so let's go and do this right now. Go over to where it says task, click on it. We're going to bring you here. So we have 10 different videos or 5 different videos to watch. I don't know, but we have a big prize here of 1 million to collect, I think, at the end. So let's go ahead and do this now. We have actually done the first video. So we have actually done the first one. I've made a video about that. Click on finish mission. Okay, congratulations. Claim. This is for the first one. I've made the video. You can check the video in the link in the description. Okay, let's go and do today's one, which is the new video, the second one. Let's go ahead and click on it, and then we start the mission. So we start the mission, we have to click on watch. So it takes us to the YouTube channel. Let's have to go back. And we have to input the code. The code is just 5. Alright, now we have put our number 5. Now we can click on finished. Congratulations, claim. So remember, the code is 5. The code is just 5.